guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a wash and go using Aunt Jackie's Ice Curls gel, and there's a whole bunch missing. I'm just not seeing that. I ordered this on Amazon and I got the 18 ounces and there's a whole freaking bunch missing. I haven't even opened it yet. That's why I don't really trust Amazon for hair products. I don't. And then look, it has like residue all over it and it was opened. Like, I don't really want to use it on my hair, to be honest with you. It smells like candy. And this is the Ice Curls Glossy Curling Jelly. And it's enriched with almond oil and marshmallow root. It says definition, elongation, and sensational shine. Treats your curls, waves, twists, and locks to intensive moisture remedy, refused with hydrating grapeseed and almond oils and marshmallow root for softness, superior hydration, and manageability. So let's see. So this is going to be a one product wash and go. Let me scoot you guys in some. One product, water, detangle gel. This is my first one product wash and go since cutting my hair. I'm actually going to detangle both sides. Be gentle. So I'm gonna use the little top piece. It's very thick. It's a very thick gel. And I'm thinking for this wash and go, I'm going to shingle it. If you are new here, once again, I cut my hair because I had heat damage and I grew it out and then I cut it. So I just grew out my heat damage and then I cut it. So that's why we have short hair. Usually I have like a strategic wash and go where I apply my leave-in, my oil, and I, just do my wash and go. Today I'm gonna try the shingling method. See how much that shrinks up. That's crazy. I'm just gonna try the raking method instead of shingling. That shrinks so much. This gel is kind of like weighing my curls down, but in a soft way. It's like very soft. It's very soft and moisturizing. Add a little bit more water. You see how it clumps my hair? Still using the top. I have a few other products from this line that I have yet to try, but I used to use this gel for my buns. I never used it for a wash and go, and so I can't even reach the freaking gel. And so it's like, oh, while my hair is short, let me go ahead and try it for a wash. Very clumped together. I'm gonna add some more water. I'm just raking and clumping. And look at those curls on that side. It's good. It looks very good. cut is so funky, you guys. I literally just cut off of the damage, so it doesn't have a real shape to it. So I want to give it a little bit of a style. Just smooth. So here's my wet results. So here are my wet results. I'm gonna let my hair air dry, and I'm gonna sit in front of the fan and just come back when it's all dry and fluffed and all that jazz. Okay guys, so I would not recommend this gel, at least for my hair. It didn't work. It was very heavy, it weighed my curls down extremely, and it was also very flaky, and I was kind of itching in the back of my head, so I had to like rinse this out of my hair. Again, this is like my first one product wash and go in a while, so maybe that was it, but I don't think so. Again, this was very flaky and very heavy for my curls, so I wouldn't recommend. I call this a fail. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.